Hello and welcome to another episode of IPoly. My name's Adrian.
And I'm Kai.
Unfortunately, with all the social distancing that's going on, sports aren't faring all too well. Here's a short story with Emmanuel on the details behind the postponements in soccer.
The coronavirus pandemic has made the world come to a halt. Sports have seen the effects of COVID-19. Soccer is one of the sports that have seen these effects. Most soccer leagues like the German Bundesliga, English Premier League, Spanish La Liga, and MLS have been suspended until further notice. Obviously, this means that soccer fans are without any matches to enjoy for weeks. But how will this affect soccer clubs? Many financial issues have risen since there are no games being played, which means no money is being made. Take a look at this graph. The Premier League approximately generates $5.4 billion from sponsorship deals, but since there is no activity, soccer clubs aren't having any income. But they still have expenses and are looking at taking out loans. Many of the top teams around the world have taken a 70% wage cut as an effort to help support team staff during this crisis. Famous soccer players like Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo have voluntarily taken these wage cuts, which means that they'll lose a total of $83 million from their paychecks. But all of this is being done as an effort to help fight the coronavirus. Different leagues are taking different approaches to end their seasons. For example, the Bundesliga is set to continue the season soon, but without fans until August. The Serie A, which is the Italian soccer league, is set to resume in June. The MLS was set to reopen mid-May, but since coronavirus cases have been at an all-time high, the league is being pushed back even further. Even though soccer games are being played at the moment, players have looked at different options to keep the fans entertained. One of those options has been playing FIFA 20 tournaments. Famous soccer players like Gareth Bale and Paulo Dybala play soccer matches in FIFA 20 and are being streamed through Twitch for everyone to watch and help make donations to combat this virus. I'm pretty sure soccer fans are eager to watch the sport they love return, but hopefully we will soon be able to watch a live soccer match either with or without fans. This is Emmanuel, back to News Desk.
Thank you for that informative report.
With the coronavirus going on, people are left looking for things to do. Luckily, there are lots of movies to be found online on the online streaming services. Here's Maya with this story.
With all of the time we have now inside, finding something to watch can be difficult. And with so many streaming service options like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+, you may be unsure about what to watch. So us here at IPoly have decided to give you some suggestions. First up is The Office. The 2012 mockumentary-style TV show is a fan favorite. Filmed in a mockumentary style, The Office explores what working at Dunder Mifflin looks like. This show is great if you're looking for something not too serious. Next up is The Good Place, a show that has been recommended to me hundreds of times. It is a great show that I find hilariously funny and you can watch with your family. The Good Place is a show focused around a young woman who believes she isn't supposed to be in heaven. She then decides she's going to earn her place there by being a good person. If quarantine has made you an aspiring chef, then Tasty 101 is the show for you. With easy-to-follow recipes, this show can turn anyone into a chef. If you're looking for a show you can watch with your whole family, then try Disney's The Mandalorian. Even if you aren't a Star Wars fan, you'll enjoy The Mandalorian. With its action-adventure plot, it is a story that anyone can enjoy. My favorite show on Disney Plus is The Imagineering Story. It is a series that takes place in the eyes of Disney engineers who work hard to make all the Disney magic come alive. Whether they are building rides, attractions, or entire theme parks, Disney engineers work very hard to create the Disney magic that we know and love. Hopefully this was helpful in suggesting some shows for you to watch during quarantine. Remember to stay safe and to stay at home.
Thanks, Maya, for the informative report.
And speaking of things to do during the coronavirus, movies aren't the only thing that you can do.
IPoly ASB presents the official IPoly Minecraft server, featuring a one-to-one replica of International Polytechnic High School, complete with full classrooms, NPR, office, and more. Experience everything school has to offer from the comfort of your own home. Come and join your fellow students in an ever-expanding replica of our beautiful campus, or compete in a factions PvP experience. plus future in-game ASB events to be held on the server in the coming weeks will keep you coming back for more. The multiplayer server address is ipolyhighschool.mc.gg, and to find out more, join the IPoly Minecraft Discord server linked below.
Spending time with friends and members of your community can be vital to surviving this quarantine. Here's Mary Rose with some details on this.
Hello IPoly, it's me, Mary Rose, and today I wanted to talk to you about the different methods that different people are taking to hang out with their family and friends. During this pandemic, it's pretty lonely, not gonna lie, but all of us have different ways of trying to hang out with our friends and loved ones. The point of this segment is to show you guys different ways that you guys can hang out with your friends and family in case you need them, or just to show you how everybody's trying to talk to each other and how everyone's holding up. The main way people have been connecting with each other is simply by texting each other, whether it just be they're texting one person, or if they're texting a group of people, or even they can call each other, group call, and turn on their cameras so that they can see each other, because it's been a while since we've all seen each other. Secondly, another way people have been connecting is by streaming movies to each other, or watching movies together but virtually. The way that my friends and I have been doing it is through Discord. One of us streams the movie or content live, and then we can watch it together. Additionally, if you don't have access to any of these resources, or if you need to hang out with someone, IPolys Gamers Collective has been hosting Friday game nights, and throughout the week when they can, has been hosting game nights through Jackbox Games on their official Discord link. Additional instructions for how to join game night are available on their Discord server. Oh, and as a bonus, I just wanted to play this audio bit from last night's game night. It was pretty fun.
Oh my god! I got you, fam.
That was from one of the games called Push the Button, which is like Secret Hitler or Mafia, but with aliens. It's pretty great. Anyway, that's all I had to say. Back to News Desk.
Thank you for that great story.
Ms Medina's favorite quarantine pastime is making unnecessary amounts of desserts. But who doesn't love Jello jigglers, cupcakes, muffins, etc., etc., etc.? But in all seriousness, I hope that the students and staff and the rest of my new extended IPoly family is all doing well and staying safe and healthy and hopefully cherishing the time with their loved ones. And one more thing, don't eat too many sweets.
During this time of year, many seniors are starting to decide what college they want to go to and which major they want to pursue. We checked in with the class of 2020 to see what they have decided upon, and I'll get a train running by saying that I have committed to Chapman University as a business administration and creative producing major.
Hey, I'm Matthew Naranjo, and I'm going to Cal Poly Pomona as a theater arts major.
Hi, I'm Jessica Zarsenio, and I'm going to Cal State Fullerton as a business management major.
Hello, I'm Matthew Kobo, and I'm going to the University of Redlands, and I'll be studying media and visual culture.
Hey, I'm Teddy Manzanito, and I'm going to the Antillean University of Puerto Rico for nursing.
My name is Ryan Pa, and I will be attending Cal Poly Pomona.
Hi, I'm Sarah Vettis, and I'm going to Mount Sac for child development.
Hey, I'm Kimberly Gaeta, and I'm going to be going to Cal State Monterey Bay, majoring in psychology.
Hi, I'm David Valdez, and I'm going to Cal Poly Pomona as a theater arts major.
I'm Arvin Valmorris, and I'm going to Cal Poly into hospitality.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Vasquez, and I'm going to Cal Poly Pomona as a business administration major.
My name is Omar Zander Shea. I'm going to Cal Poly, and I'm going in as a finance, law, and real estate major.
I got into Cal Poly Pomona as a physics major.
Hello, my name is Rain Reed, and I'll be going to Cal Poly Pomona as a computer science major.
Hey, I'm Jessica Naranjo, and I might be going to the University of Laverne as a math major.
My name is Leonardo Francisco, and I'm going to Cal Poly as a mechanical engineering major.
Hi, my name is Erica, and I'm going to Cal State Long Beach for marine biology.
Hi, my name is Chadna, and I'm going to Cal State Fullerton for the major of economics.
Hi, my name is Sindri Alvarez, and I'm going to University of Laverne for biology.
Hi, my name is Ethan, and I'm going to San Francisco State for business administration.
Hi, I'm Jazz, and I'm going to UC San Diego for a major in theater.
I'm Cindy Cortez, and I'm going to Cal Poly Pomona to be a psychology major.
Hi, my name is Ina Gutierrez, and I'm going to Cal State LA as a nursing major.
Hi, my name is Pablo, and the school I'm going to is UC Irvine as a criminology major.
Hi, Poly seniors. As all of you at home in quarantine know, today we face an unprecedented threat. A threat that not only endangers us as a nation, but as a global community. Our ways of life are changing, yet this class still shows us the light at the end of this very, very long tunnel. The college acceptance videos you submitted showcase the many different paths you are going to take. So whichever path you take, know that you will also be on the pursuit of brilliance and excellence. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
And here's our ASB Minute.
What's up, IPoly? It's me, Zomar, and I'm here with another ASB Minute. So, as you know, last week we had our whole ASB Quarantine Spirit Week, and it was really good. Everybody participated in it. I hope everybody enjoyed what we did for you guys. We worked really hard on it. As of right now, the Minecraft server is still up, and ASB will still be posting on the Instagram. Right now, the Minecraft server is going through some construction because we had to fix some stuff, but we're going to open it up today. The link for it, if you're not in it, is ipolyhighschool.mc.gg. So if you're not in the Minecraft server, definitely join up on it. Yeah, and we hope you guys had a lot of fun throughout this week. Remember, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and that's your ASB Minute.
And this has been
your Eye and IPoly.